So last class we have seen about HDLC. It is a protocol that will support for ARQ implementations. That will support for ARQ implementations. That will support for error control and the flow control implementations. Then we have seen about frame format. It contains 3 frames: I frame, S frame, U frame. I frame, it is an information frame that will use to transmit informations. S frame, supervisory frame, that will use to acknowledge. So it contains the 4 0 0 0 1 0 1, depending upon whether it is an receive ready, receive not ready, or it will go for only reject, that is go back, and the or select reject. Then U frame, it is an unenabled frame that will use to establish the connections as well as that will use to terminate the connections. That we have seen in the last class. Then we have seen about 2 types of the mode, that is nothing but normal response mode and ABM, asynchronous branch mode. So the normal response mode, always primary stations will send a command, secondary stations will send a response. But in asynchronous, it is in both directions, it will send a command as well as it will receive a response. Then we have seen about all the frame formats, all these things. Now we will see an example of how that exchange of framing is done in a normal response mode. So the normal response mode, always station A will act as the primary, remaining station will act as a secondary. In this problem, station A, the primary station A, it is communicating with the 2 secondary stations B and C, because it will support for multicast also. Even that NRM will support for multicast as well as peer-to-peer, but ABM it will support only for peer-to-peer. So NRM it will support for multicast also. For example, in this example, we are considering station A, it is the primary stations. It is communicating with the station B and the station C. So now station A begins by sending frame to station B with the pole bit. Always, to get the information, it will send a command. Yeah, I am ready to receive information from you. You can send the information. That is nothing but the pole bits. Return same sequence number. I am ready to receive frame 0 from you. I am ready to receive frame 0 from you. Similarly, meanwhile, station A begins by sending a frame to station C with the pole bit, but C does not contain any information. We will see how the framing is done based on these conditions under the normal response mode. If we see here, so this is nothing but A is the primary, B and C are secondary stations. Kindly keep in mind, in the information frame or in anything, always in the NRM mode. So all the frames, whether it is an information frame or supervisory frame, always it will contain secondary station address. That is the difference between NRM and ABM. In the NRM, always in any frames, you see any frames, it will contain always secondary station address. The first one, this is nothing but it is the supervisory frame, that is RR, I am ready to receive. So now the A station sending the request frame into the B. Hello B, I am ready to receive the frame 0 from you. You kindly poll it, kindly transmit. So the format for the supervisory frame, I think already we have seen. It is nothing but the secondary station address. Then whether it is a receive ready or receive not ready or reject or yes reject. Then it will contain the receive sequence number. Then it will contain whether it is a poll or final bit. So now the primary A station requesting, it is sending the poll bit to B. The first case, station A begins by sending frame to station B with the poll bit. Now primary A is sending command. Always, already we have seen that. So in the NRM mode, the primary will send a command. So secondary will respond depending upon the command. Now it is sending command. Hello station B. I am ready to receive the sequence from you. I am waiting to receive the frame 0. Kindly poll it. Kindly transmit. I am ready to receive. So now it is sending to from primary A to the secondary B. Now depending upon the poll request, so B is also contain the frame. It will contain the frame F0 to F2. It contains 3 frames. Now the secondary station B is responding. B, it is sending information frame, sending FR0, waiting to receive NR. NR, that is NR, that is the frame 0 from A, because information frame it contains send sequence number, receive sequence number. Starting stage, it is sending frame 0, it is waiting to receive frame 0 from other end. So B, it is secondary station address, it is transferring information frame, it is sending frame 0, waiting to receive frame 0. Now it is sending frame 0, so this is frame 0. So it continuously sends 3 frames. Now again B is sending information frame. It's sending frame 1. It is waiting to receive frame 0. It is sending frame 1. Then B is sending information frame. It is sending frame 2. It waiting to receive frame 0 from A. This is the final bit. That means automatically the primary will understand that. So B it is not containing any frame. So this is the final bit. Now all the 3 frames are transmitting from secondary station B to A. During transmissions F1, it is damaged. It is lost. Now so A receive all these things. Then it process F0, it is processed. So F1 it is not received. So that means it has waited up to the timeout. Then it sends A rejects frame 1. That means allow B. I am selectively reject the frame 1. So kindly keep in mind, allow B, that is A is sending command, allow B, I am selectively rejecting the frame 1. Now it is not asking polling. If it is asking polling, immediately B will respond. But just it is sending information, allow B, I am selectively rejecting the frame 1. So you kindly be ready with frame 1. That is the commands it is sending to B. So meanwhile, A is communicating with C also. In the problem we have seen, A is communicating parallelly with B and C. Now A is sending to C. Hello C, I am ready to receive frame 0 from you. Kindly poll it. Kindly transmit. So it is sending. But C does not contain any frame. C is responding that I am also ready to receive, because it does not contain any information. If it is contain information, it may say. It does not contain any information. So by means of acknowledgement frame, supervisor frame, it is sending I am also ready to receive, but I am not containing any information. So this is the final bit. I am not containing any information. So C, I am ready to receive frame 0. This is the last frame. I am not containing. So automatically A understand that. So C is not containing any information to transmit. Now because already B it is transmitting with the 1 bit last. Again now the primary is communicating with again B. Hello B, selectively I have rejected frame 1. I am ready to receive. That is kindly poll it. That means it is requesting to retransmit frame 1 after receiving the informations. Now B is resend frame 1. B is sending informations frame 1, that is sending sequence frame 1. I am ready to receive frame 0. So then it is continuously sending remaining frames because now it contains 2 frames. Now B is sending information frame 3. I am ready to receive 0. Now B is transmitting the information frame 4. I am ready to receive 0. This is the final bit. Now the frame 1, frame 3, frame 4, it is transmitting from B to A. Now A process all the informations. It is responding that hello B, I am sending frame 0. I am ready to receive frame 5. This is in the inverse side. It is sending frame 0. Hello, I am sending frame 0. I am ready to frame 5. So this will go as it is. This will go, keep on, it will go until all the frame was exhaust in both A, B and C. It will further continues. So this is nothing but the frame exchange in the HDLC under the normal response mode. So ABM we will see in the next class. Okay, so thank you. If you have faced any problem in the quiz after the classes, you kindly send the mail to me. I will check it, then I will report. You have faced any issues, you can kindly send the mail to me after this class was over. That's why after the class was over, kindly send the mail to me. I will check it, then I will report.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Take care.
Sir, if results are not coming, then also we have to mail. Like I've given the test and then.
Yeah, I will check it. I will check it in the back or how much marks you got. In the school, I can be able to check it. I will check it, then I will do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, take care. Bye. See you next class.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I was facing a difficulty in the lab task 3. Actually, I had one doubt, sir. Can I share my screen, please?